Ask Charlie, the best show on the internet. Ask Charlie, cause you're really dumb. Oi there, kiddies. Just about to beat my high score on the most intense game in the history of the world. That's some crazy shit, right? Ah, crap cakes of doom. I guess we can get to some of those questions. Lucolusians asks, Charlie, why do you need people to ask you questions? I think a better question is why people feel the need to harass me all the f***ing time! It's never ending! Oh yes, I finally have a chance to relax and go number 2 in peace. Ah, good old number 2.
Hey Charlie, why are you so freaking gay?
My heart! Ah, I finally have the chance to relax and get that open heart surgery I need so bad or I will die.
Charlie, what would you do if you had no boobs? And why are you so gay?
Oh, I can't believe I died so young. I was such a handsome bloke. So much promise ahead of me. So much booze I could still be drinking.
Charlie, why do you like boobs so much when you're gay? Gay guys don't like boobs.
How the hell can you see me when I'm dead?
I see dead people.
Worst joke ever. Like seriously, what the f? Ah! Now that I'm dead in hell, I at least have time to relax and do anything I want.
Charlie, you smell like butt crap poopy pee pee. Gay!
Alright, fine. What the hell do you want?
I just want to talk to someone.
Sure, what's up?
Not much. You?
You know, just dead. Heart attack. You caused it, you
Oh, that sucks.
You're telling me?
Can I get you anything?
Some freaking booze?
I'm only 8 years old.
What? You're massive!
Well, I like ice cream.
No you do. Maybe you should get some more exercise, mate. You don't want to end up like me. Well, that's all the time we have for now. Remember to keep posting those questions down below. Damn it, I wasn't looking, you freaking fat. Ashton Kutcher, what are you doing here?
Honey from Charlie Sheen.
What do you mean you guys don't have booze?
Is Charlie your real name?
Oh my god! So lonely!